gotta get up.
Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video you're going to see how I achieve my high puff. As you can see now, I'm unraveling the twist I did the previous night. I usually do this to stretch out my hair and make it more manageable in the morning. So for those of you who have tighter curls like 4C hair, you can try this the night before. Just put your hair in 2-strand twists to help you manage it in the morning when you're styling it. The next thing I'm going to do is to go on with water. I'm going to spritz some water onto my hair to add moisture. As you can see, my hair is old and dirty and then it needs some moisture, so I'm adding some water to moisturize it and make it more manageable. Then I'm going to go in with my leave-in conditioner to add extra moisture to my hair. I'll leave all the products I use in this video in the description box. So sorry if you can't see because the lighting is too much. Just go to the description box and you'll get information on every product I used. I'm now going to go on and seal in the moisture with some oil. I usually mix and blend my own oils, and then you'll see me apply it to every part of my hair. The next thing is to go in with my styling cream. I use the lock method, so I start with a leave-in oil and then my styling cream, and I'm going to apply this to every part of my hair. And as you can see, I'm using the pre-enhance method to make sure that everything goes into my hair. The next thing is to apply my gel. Okay, I apply it to every part of my hair, all around my hair, and then I brush it with a shoe brush, as you guys already know, but be sure to be gentle on your edges as you brush along. Then I take a shoelace. That's what I use for my high puff. I take a shoelace and I make sure I secure it in the back, and then I pull it upwards. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but you can see it. And make sure not to make it too tight, just so your hair doesn't ache throughout the day. Okay, just do it to your preference and to your liking, and then you can fluff your puff as you like. And then this step is also optional. If you want your edges laid, you can go ahead and do that as well. If you do not want it to, you can skip this step and then go on to put on a scarf, which will also make sure that your hair is well laid and to prevent any flyaways. So as you can see, I'm putting on my satin scarf and then I'm going to get ready, and you guys will see when I'm done dressing up. And this is my final result. I think I'm happy with my results, and then I am off to work. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.
Great. Now
You gotta get up. You gotta get up and make a move. 'Cause the world will never see you until you do.